Okay. We'll do one straight run back. And change speeds on a couple of runs and see how much how much difference we had in battery or endurance. On the way to finding out what's the best cruise speed to get the best distance it can cover and come back. It's flying an auto mission, but Ben's following with the hand controller just to, in case anything funny happens, he can take over. Sure, the people in the apartments over there are real happy about this. Looks like it's over the damn trees, but it's not supposed to be. We've learned the hard way. Stay away from the damn trees. Not with the big drone, thank God. And it's coming back. So we have set coming back. We have a don't know offhand what the first setting was, like, you know, 5 miles an hour or something like that, slow. And then we'll repeat it, stepping up the speed. And look at the results. Hmm.